How to fix Fall Guys session expired. Please restart your game. The very first thing you want to do is to check if there's a Fall Guys server issue. First, check if any server-side issue could be causing the Fall Guy error code. You can do this by clicking the plus for Fall Guy on the Epic server status page. If that page shows there are Fall Guy issues, wait a day or so until they have been sorted out. Try playing the Fall Guy game again to see if the issue has been fixed. Now try logging out of your game and then go back into your Epic games. Now the next thing you want to do is verify Fall Guys files. Verifying the Fall Guy game is Epic's official resolution for error code, which some players also confirm it works. You can apply this potential resolution by selecting the verify option for Fall Guy in Epic Games Launcher. This Epic page includes instructions for how to select the troubleshooting options. Once it has been done, in the next step, what you can try doing is set a Google DNS server on your PC. In order to do so, first of all press the Windows logo plus R. Input ncpa.cpl and click the OK button. Right-click the Internet adapter in Network Connections to select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties to access DNS server options. Click Use the following DNS server addresses to activate the DNS server boxes. Type 8888 inside the preferred DNS box. Enter 8844 into the alternative DNS server value box. Select OK on the two properties windows to close them. Once you have set a Google DNS server, it will definitely fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix Fall Guys session expired. Please restart your game. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.